The not registered on network error on your Tracfone means your phone's SIM card isn't authenticating properly with the network. This prevents you from making calls or using data. SIM pairing is the process of linking your SIM card to your phone and Tracfone's database. Ensure your SIM is correctly inserted and unlocked. Check with SHA-06 code. Activation is key. Make sure your SIM is activated through the Tracfone website or app. This error often stems from incorrect pairing, damaged SIMs, or failed activations, particularly after updates or carrier integrations. Since Verizon integrated with Tracfone, improved SIM pairing processes have reduced errors. For compatible devices, the Tracfone app version 8.2 Plus offers automated SIM reactivation via QR code scanning, bypassing manual calls to support. A network reset forces your phone to reestablish its connection, clearing temporary glitches. Start by toggling airplane mode on and off in your phone's settings. Go to Settings, Network and Internet, Airplane Mode. Toggle it on for 30 seconds, then off. A simple phone restart can also help. Hold the power button and select the Restart option. For advanced users on Android, dialing 466 accesses hidden network menus. If these steps don't work, update your APN settings to match Tracfone's carriers. For Verizon, use name Tracfone and APN TF data. Incorrect APN settings can block data and MMS, causing registration issues. For persistent issues, use the Tracfone app's diagnostic tools or contact Tracfone support for a SIM replacement, especially if under warranty. Regular network resets can prevent many registration errors.